Yeah.
Of having this access.
Our dear chairperson of the district.
Nasud is another easier road that you can use instead Nabuti. It's another special way, because if they didn't trust us to go and work in Nansana, and they will do it. So that is how we have worked in the Metropolitan, and will continue to work together. RDC, that you are moving together with the politicians, and you have never left at all to make sure that government programs are well delivered. Thank you so much. The rest, and you also slot a bull, and they feel that what? They feel that this is our thing, you know, even at the funeral people eat. So the contractor is taking off. The next time we'll come, we'll also do what? Commission. The projects which are coming up. You fast track this, and then you find yourself winning more contracts, and then we move the same, in the same direction. Thank you so much for going. At this juncture, I'd like to hand over to the
Governor of Mukono district. Thank you very much. We welcome the project, and we are ready to append our signatures. So we are officially handing over the contract to the RDC to hand over to the contractor to start doing the work. You are all our witnesses, so glad for this very important event. Thank you very much. Thank you. Do good work. Okay. We shall be following and monitoring. Please.
For always appreciating our government. We all know that the government is in power, is NRM government entrusted for 5 years. And it is through this government that the World Bank coordinated, and we are having such a very big project in our district. Madam Under Secretary, as Mukono District and as RDC Mukono District, I'm happy, and we are happy seeing that the district is now taking on with the project. Though
tuli basanyufu nga Mukono district sanaga leero nti olwaleero tukoze signinga contract agreement wakati waba contractor baffe abagenda otukolera enguudo zaffe nga bakolera wansi wa ministry ya Greater Kampala and the Metropolitan. Sente zino twebaza government yaffe ya Uganda naddala okusingira ddala His Excellency the President okutuwa omukisa nga Mukono district okubeera nga tuli wansi wa ministry ya Greater Kampala and the Metropolitan. World Bank yatuwadde sente ezisoba mu billions za 3.7 nga tugenda kukola ku Enguudo okuva Ebuule okujja Entenjeru n'okugendera ddala Ebukiki. Naye ng'olwaleero tusayinize contract ya kilometers 7 n'obutundutundu 8 ogenda okutandika. Naye nga twebaza abakulembeze bonna ne abakozi ba gavumenti abakirimu, era twebaza ne Under Secretary owa Ministry ya Greater Kampala omukyala Monica, twebaza kawo wa Mukono district, twebaza chairperson wa Mukono district, ba honorable councillors bonna ne team ey'aba contractors abawangudde omulimu guno okugenda mu maaso. Twebaza abatuuze baffe ekkubo mwe ligenda okuyita abatusayiningidde empapula ezikkiriza okubisawo ekkubo kubanga tukimanyi bulungi nti puroguramu eno eya GKMA terina ssente za kukompasetinga olw'okuliyirira abantu ekkubo bwe ligenda okuyita n'olwekyo twebaza abantu abakkiriziganyiza okulaba nga tufuna enkulaakulana eno ate ng'egenda kukyusa ku feesi ya Mukono district ate n'ekitundutundu ekibulayo nakyera mu bwangu ddala under secretary atusuubiza contract agenda gy'advertisinga era nayo bakontracta batandika okutwala omulimu guno mu maaso tusaba abaconsultants bonna nga gesh abagenda okulabirira ekkubo lino obutonde bw'ensi
tutaddeko omukono ebiwandiiko ebiraga nti bakontracta baffe betwasuuzibwamu bagala kalika okukola tulagenda okutandika okukola tuyita siteegi erugule okukola olwa kilomita 18 ebitundu nga 5 naye tugenda kutandika n'ekitundu ekya kilomita 7 n'obutundu 8 ekiva ebule ekikoma ebujiji nga projekiti eno contractor agenda okuba ow'ekibyusa ennyo yagenda okuzima oluguudo luno nga lujja ku levo gye luliko kati ey'okuba nga lwa ttaka nga lutera ku levo ey'omutindo eya Kolas era projekiti eno contractor sente zeyatugamba zajja otukolera ziri mu 3.5 ne miliyoni nga 7.7 n'eggwamu ate projekiti eno ejja kuba ekolwako China Railway 5 bebawinninga contract bawe bafuna obusabu kubanga basusulwamu kubanga bakola omulimu China Railway 5 tulowooza nti ejja kukola omulimu mulungi kubanga okusinziira mu mpapula ze batuwa n'okunoonyeza kwe twakola bakoze projekiti eziwerako ez'omutindo gw'oguwe okujja oluguudo kulevo gye lubaddeko nga lwa bigere lwa nfufu okujja ku mutindo ogwa Kolas era projekiti eno ejja kuba ng'erina abalala bagisapootinga tulina consultant alina okuba ng'akola omulimu gw'okuba nga yekalabalaba okulaba nga design yaffe gye tukoze eyakolebwa na byonna ebitaka okukolebwa ku luguudo olwokubeera nga lwa mutindo nga bikolebwa contract oyo
causing accidents and many more vices. Let us uphold high moral and ethical standards as we work in these communities. Let me also clarify that no additional funds are available beyond what has been allocated to you contractors. We expect prudent and efficient use of resources, and all works must be executed strictly within the contract period. I expect you to deploy up to standard machinery, not taka poor machinery which is not going to serve our work to be done on time. Please deploy sufficient up to standard road equipment that will not cause accidents. My engineer, Mr. Rutwama, the moment he visits and finds that you have brought ramshackle machines, you will see. You will pack up and leave my district. I command Engineer Rutwama. Furthermore, we will not tolerate substandard work. Don't compromise your work. You have got this contract. You have not eaten chintu chidogo elsewhere. For me, I want good service, good work. The output must reflect the specification and standards as outlined in the bills of quantities. We urge our district engineers and technical teams to closely supervise the work to ensure compliance and quality assurance. This is the first district of its
waliwo indicators Mukono district erina okulaba nti ki emeeting okulaba nti abakozi abeetaagisa we bali mu bifo physical planning bategeka bulungi ebyobutonde bitambula bulungi kati tumaze okusayininga contractor waffe China Railway 5 yagenda kuzimba ekkubo lino omulimu gwaffe kulaba nti ki bakola omulimu mulungi. Tulina ba consultants, engineering consultant ne aba safeguard ebyobutonde ne social safeguard. Naye contractor tumugambye nti abantu baffe bamukono emirimu bwe bibaawo babaweereze. Olwaki waliwo abasomye tebalina emirimu naye contractor ajja kufuna sente taleeta ba casual laborers kuva owaabwe, taleeta abakozi ababulijjo ba engineers be babeerawo n'aba source of safety babawa emirimu abantu baffe nabo.
First is thanks to the Metropolitan, RBC, and the LC5, all the engineers. Thank you, all of you give us opportunity to be a partner construction for this Mukono road, and we are so happy about it. And it's our honor to be a part of this big family in the future. This is the first word. Second word is relationship. And we deeply understand the company is coming to Uganda by 2010. We are here almost 13 years. And we're working with other agencies, successfully delivering more than 250 kilometers of road in Uganda. So please trust us. And we truly understand the relationship with the community is very important. And during the time we are carrying this 7.8 kilometer, we are going to recruit the skilled and unskilled worker from Mukono. Yeah, and also we keep some precision for the female. Yeah, because we understand gender balance. Gender balance is very important. Also, we want to transfer the skill to the local youth. Yeah, it helps a lot. Yeah, this one will be take care of in the future. And also, we request the supporting from the LC1, the LC5, even RDC, who can help us in the future. So if any something trouble, we are looking for your assistance in the future. And the last word is comments. Yeah. Just now, the RDC and the Monica and Madam gave this contract to me. It's not only our group, it's our responsibility. And we are sure we are going to deliver this job on time and with a quality, with a good quality. And we also want to be an example in the Mukono district. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.